Welcome back to Delicious Taste. Today we want to have a shrimp omelette a la Mexicana. My ingredients for today are the shrimp, jalapeno, tomatoes, green cilantro, onion, and my 3 eggs, plus garlic and onion to cook the shrimp a la Mexicana. The step to cook the shrimp for the omelette. I want to put that, first of all, the olive oil, just a little bit to cook, and a little bit of butter. And then my spoon. The garlic, 2 garlic cloves or 3 is fine. And then the onions. Set up real good the onions because I want to put the shrimp on top. Then the shrimp. Together, let's put the jalapenos on top. Mix a little bit. Un poquito más de mezclarlo para cocerlos juntos. Y luego lo tapamos por unos 3 minutos. You can't forget your tomato and a little bit of cilantro and green onion to infuse the flavors. Cover again. Look, this is almost ready, like 2-3 more minutes, and then we can, if you can smell this, oh man, this is so good. Oh wow, I wish you were here, guys, to invite you to eat with me. Man, I love to cook, and I love to make recipes for you. And I hope you like my recipe today. Let's start to make the omelet. Very simple omelet, like just 3 eggs. Doesn't take too long to cook. Fluffy. Put a little bit of milk if you want, a little bit, so they can make fluffy omelet. Some time to cook a little bit, remove the excess on the egg on top, and then come back again, and then put it back. Give it like 30 seconds. Keep moving so you cook real perfect, not like more cook on the sides. So you can flip it. I want to flip it with this. I can flip it by hand. You can flip it with this. And then as soon as you flip it, you can put your shrimp in the middle. not too much, that are real good. And then I want to go platter. I want to platter my omelet. Look at how perfect and nice, very fluffy, very nice. All the ingredients inside, the shrimp, the vegetables, everything inside real good. So I want to have more shrimp on top. You can put a little bit of juice for more taste, more flavor. And that's it. I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese. And a little bit of cilantro and green onions. I hope you like it because it looks pretty good to me. I want to see how good it looks. Looks good, but I want to taste to say if it is good or not. This is my shrimp. Look how all the flavors, all the ingredients, you can taste all the ingredients. And the egg, real fluffy, real good. Real good, delicious taste. Wow, wow, real good, real good. Hope you guys, you like my video this time. I hope we can watch you next time. You see me cook another recipe for you guys. I see you are around.